Hey guys, already have FL Studio on your Mac and want to update to the latest version? You're in the right place. This tutorial also works if you already have FL Studio installed and your license is activated. It's super simple. Just follow along and you'll be up and running with the latest version in no time. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser, Safari, Chrome, Brave, whatever you like. In the search bar, type FL Studio 2025 update macsite:imageline.com and hit enter. Click on the official ImageLine website from the results. I've also added the direct link in the description to save you time. Once you're on the website, click on Get FL Studio 2025. Next, select the Mac tab and click on Download Now. When the download prompt appears, save the file. Most people choose the Downloads folder. The installer will begin downloading automatically. It may take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so be patient. Important tip: if you already have an older version installed, you don't need to uninstall it. FL Studio will automatically detect and update your existing setup during the installation. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the .dmg file. This will mount the installer. A new window will pop up. Double-click the FL Studio installer.pkg to launch the update wizard. Now follow these steps. Click Continue, then Continue again. Agree to the license terms by clicking Agree. Choose your install location. Default is fine. Click Install and enter your Mac password if prompted. The update will begin. It usually takes a few minutes. When it's finished, click Close, then Move to Trash. Now, open your Applications folder and launch FL Studio 2025. It should now show the latest 2025 version at the splash screen. Your projects, settings, and license will remain intact, so you can jump right back into producing without skipping a beat. If macOS asks for permissions like microphone access or file system access, make sure to allow them for full functionality. And that's it. You've successfully updated FL Studio 21 on your Mac. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials. Got questions or need help? Drop them in the comments. I've got you covered. Thanks for watching and happy producing.